Hello guys, today I want to try new styles of doodles. Here I will add 5 epic characters. If you find all 5, next time I will draw you favorites characters. So watch till the end and leave a comment what do you think about. So 2 epic characters are done. Hope you enjoy the process. Now is time to add some awesome colors. Coloring part is the best. Do you know this red bird here? How about this crazy one? So check it out, the final result. Hope you like it and see you in the next video. Ciao!